poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dope Ass Panda, and I know you guys read the title, y'all. I am doing something today that I literally have no business doing, guys. I'm going to attempt to slay this wig by Cynosure Hair. The wig was absolutely bomb. This is the natural texture of it. It's an HD lace front curly wave wig, and I did go ahead and bleach the root. So this is what it looked like straight out of the package, but I did do a little bit of maintenance to it, just showing you guys the way that the wig is constructed, and then we gonna get right into this tutorial. So first off, I was geeked because they actually sent me some bomb lashes that I put in the top right corner. Usually companies send me them bald-headed lashes that I really can't use, so I was actually geeked to get a nice pair because Bree actually needed some lashes for a video later that day, and they turned out bomb. Plus, anybody loves free shit, so I was just super excited. So yes, guys, for this tutorial, I literally went on YouTube and I watched like 20 different lace front tutorials for like a minute each because I'm one of those people who likes to swipe through. But you feel me? I watched 20 minutes of videos, so I am YouTube certified. I said, Bree, let me slay this wig on you, period. And she said, all right. So today, I'm just doing a bunch of different stuff that I've seen them do in these tutorials. I don't know if I'm doing it right or what, but it turned out decent, so I'm gonna let y'all watch me slay this. She's literally the worst client, by the way, just hella extra. So I'm gonna let y'all watch me attempt to slay this wig, and y'all gonna tell me if Panda should, you know, add this to her list of services. Alright, y'all, so I placed this cap on the head and I secured it with a little bit of the Got To Be Glue spray, right? The point is to make it look like they're bald, but this cap ended up being a little ashy on her head, which is crazy because I swear in the pack it literally looked like her skin color. But I'm gonna show you guys what I did to kind of fix that. I said, sis, it looks like you got a ball sack hanging from your head. Yes, y'all, so when I put this cap on, I was like, wow, this is a lot lighter than what it was in the bag. But basically, I'm going to be cutting this. I had put, how many layers of the Got To Be glue did I use? I used probably about 3 layers, and I blow dried each layer. And when I was cutting this off, it was kind of still lifting, so I was like, I'm gonna have to rub a little bit more glue on it after I'm done cutting this off. Y'all, honestly, I think I cut a couple of her edges off in here. I said, ooh, baby, she might take this cap off and baby don't have no edges. But you know, yeah, I'm like, she not really gonna notice because she don't really do her edges like that anyway. So yeah, so basically to make her look bald-headed, because I was trying to be on my arrogance, hey, I took my foundation for my skin and I said, you look about my color, so we just gonna dab this foundation on everything. And now that I'm looking at it, this foundation is, yeah, it's not her color. But I still did it already, so yeah, I said, this is a little yellow. Y'all know Panda light skin, right? So I basically put this on there, and I think I hairsprayed it and then blow dried it, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I literally did everything that I saw in these tutorials. It looked easy, y'all. It's not that easy, right? Then, this is so ghetto, but I had to use hand sanitizer to wipe off her hairline because y'all wanted to take up all the alcohol because of COVID-19. So I did have to use hand sanitizer. It has alcohol in it, same thing. And I just wiped off her hairline and whatever edges was left. Then I took the wig and I put it on her head because I wanted to see if it fit, because y'all know Bree has a pea head. So I said, baby, I don't even know if this wig is gonna fit your little bullet head. So I put it on there and it was cool, but the ears, like, it was literally covering her ears. So boom, went on YouTube. I was like, what do you do when the wig is covering the ears? They said you cut around it. Yeah, when I tell y'all, this literally was the hardest thing ever. I almost sliced baby's ears like 5 times. So I did the other side. And then I was like, all right, I feel like I know what I'm doing now because I already did this. So let me come in and cut this side. But y'all, once again, I think I cut off some of her sideburns. She probably ain't gonna notice unless she watches this video, but Bree's not a follower. So yeah, when I cut it, I did have to cut into the strap a little bit, but it still worked because, like, yeah, this wig was like really, really big for her head. All right, so fix that. Boom, moving along. So I'm using this glue, y'all. This company sent me this glue a couple years ago. I don't know if glue expires or not, but this is literally the only glue I had. And originally we weren't gonna use any glue. We were just gonna use the Got To Be glue, but I was like, I don't know if this is gonna stick because everything I've been doing so far ain't really working. So let me just take glue, and yeah, we're just gonna put one layer of glue and glue it down. So I took my blow dryer and I was blow drying it. Ain't it supposed to turn clear? Because this glue stayed white. And when I tell y'all, I literally blow dried her hair for like 5 minutes. I said, yeah, sis, her forehead is about to melt off. I was literally blow drying it for so long and it never turned clear. So I just tapped it with my finger and I said, seems dry to me. And then we just pulled the wig up. So this is me just placing the wig down, and y'all, literally thank God that this wig already came plucked and it had some baby hairs already laid out, because if I had to do that, Jesus take the wheel, this would have been looking crazy. So it already had some baby hairs kind of out, and like I said, the hairline was kind of plucked, but I did pluck it a little bit more. But once again, I don't really know what I'm doing, so I just plucked it a little bit. I really didn't want to make it look bald headed or nothing in the front. So yeah, I didn't put enough glue down there, so I just had to add a little extra glue. But the front of the wig actually looked really, really good. So yes, if you are someone who wants a unit that is low maintenance, this is definitely the unit for you. You're welcome. Okay, so boom, I saw this in the tutorial. You're supposed to take mousse, right? Separate out the baby hairs and then mousse this hair back and use some hairspray, and that'll help the hairline stick. I seen this in a tutorial, so yeah, once again, just doing what I'm learning, y'all. I told you I'm YouTube certified and I'm doing the damn thing right now. All right, guys, and here's the finished look. Thank you guys so much. No, I'm just kidding. So here is where I ended up plugging it a little bit more, just because I wanted her hairline to look more realistic. But you guys could see, like, it does look better. I said, okay, once I got to this step, I said I might just be doing something right, because this is starting to actually look like something. So when they go to cut the lace off, they say that you're supposed to cut it like zigzaggy. That was hard. I was like, I don't know if it's because I'm a braider. My hand don't move like that in no zigzag. So next time I'm gonna have to buy those already zigzagged scissors so I can just cut it like that, because I was really having a hard time. And like I said, I was cutting sisters' edges off. It was, oh my God, y'all, it was a hot ass mess. So this next trick I saw in another tutorial, they said if it's not blending after you melt it down or whatever, you take some makeup and you put it on the hairline where the baby hairs are, and then you hairspray it and tie it down, and it's gonna help to melt it, right? I literally wanted my unit on arrogante. I said I gotta pull out all of the tricks, all of the stops, right? So I went ahead and did this, and I'm gonna let y'all see if it worked. Bam! Tell me that I ain't melted, sis. What you mean you don't know Fanta, period? That don't look decent, y'all. Come on. Y'all was not expecting that. Come on now. Alright, so I trimmed her baby hairs a little bit. I said, let me get your baby hairs laid down. Y'all, it is literally so hard to do baby hairs on a unit. I said, I'm gonna try to give you a little bit of suap boobaps, but baby, it wasn't working. I was cutting them. I was doing all type of stuff to them. Ooh, that one looks cute. I should have left it like that, but I played with it. But basically, I couldn't get the baby hairs to look cute. So I said, maybe we should put this to the side. Yeah, I was just trying different stuff. It actually looked cute to the side. The hair had hella volume in it, so until we really put mousse and like curl defining cream in it, it just had hella volume. And Bree's not like a volume type of girl, she's more like a flat laid type of girl. So basically I put mousse in it just to make it look cute, and I also went through and kind of trimmed it to frame her face a little bit. I was like really feeling the side part as I was going through, but at the end we actually decided to do a middle part just because we also ended up liking that better when the unit was dry. So yes, I'm showing y'all the side part. That's, y'all don't look at them edges, okay? That's not what her edges is gonna look like. It's just, it was really stressful, really. So yeah, I'm just running mousse through it, kind of trying to tame those curls and all of that. And then I did go ahead and put the clips in the back, because Lord, I forgot to connect the back. She said, is this supposed to be flapping? I said, oh, I must have missed the step, right? So yeah, make sure you connect it in the back and all of that good stuff. And yeah, she looks cute. I'm just framing her face a little bit just so it kind of fits her a little bit more. And yeah. Okay, so for real, y'all, this is the finished look. Bree was trying to tell me how to do her edges. I can't stand a client who want to sit in my chair and tell me how to do my job, sis. But I was literally arguing with her the whole install. She was like, I could just feel that you're not doing it right. And I said, sis, I'm slaying this on period. I had to go on live and I had to show them on live. Everybody was like, you did so good. So yeah, y'all, this is definitely something I need to work on. I actually need to sit down and watch a full tutorial all the way through. Let me know who y'all be watching in the comment section below, because sis, I'm actually might try to learn this. This is for sure not my thing, but it might have to be my thing because this is not bad, sis. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I will list all of the details for the wig in the description section. I'll also pin it at the top of the comments for you guys. The unit was bomb. They made it very easy for me to do my job. Okay, actually, that was on me, sis. It's not just the unit, period. No, just kidding. But yeah, the unit was really easy to work with. Like I said, if you are someone who is not comfortable with plucking, I barely had to do any type of plucking. All I really did was bleach the roots. But yes, tell me how Panna did in the comment section, period. Because what you mean you don't know Panna? What you mean Panna is a braider? Call me arrogant, sis, period. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will catch y'all in my next video. What you mean you don't know Panna? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?